Jungle.
Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury as we take an up-close look at one of the most iconic symbols of style and sophistication, the limousine. Let's start with the first impression. Limousines have an unmistakable design. From the elongated body to the tinted windows, everything about this car screams elegance and exclusivity. This particular model we're reviewing today is equipped with mention any standout features or brand, e.g., Mercedes S-Class Stretch Limousine, bringing both classic luxury and modern tech together. Walking around the exterior, you can see just how impressive this vehicle is. The paintwork, usually in high-gloss black or white, has a mirror-like finish. The extended wheelbase, along with the distinctive limo doors, makes this car a real head-turner. We've also got some beautiful chrome accents, giving it that extra sparkle. Moving to the interior, this is where the magic happens. Stepping inside feels like entering a VIP lounge on wheels. Everything here is top of the line, from the plush leather seats to the ambient lighting system. There's a minibar, built-in screens, and even a surround sound system designed to keep passengers entertained on long journeys. It's clear that every detail has been considered to provide the highest level of comfort. The seating arrangement is spacious, so you've got plenty of legroom. This model seats around mention number comfortably, making it perfect for events like weddings, corporate functions, or even a night out in style. Plus, some models include privacy partitions, allowing passengers to have a truly secluded experience. Another highlight is the technology on board. This limo comes with many smart tech features, e.g. touchscreen controls for climate and lighting, Wi-Fi connectivity, or Bluetooth pairing. It's designed for seamless control, so passengers can easily adjust their environment to their liking. When it comes to the engine and performance, most limousines prioritize smooth rides over speed. This one is equipped with a mention engine type, ensuring a quiet and smooth ride that lets passengers enjoy every moment of luxury without interruptions. Driving this vehicle is a unique experience as well. Because of its length, it requires skill and a bit of patience to navigate through tight spots. However, with features like rear-view cameras and parking sensors, maneuvering is manageable for experienced drivers. Overall, limousines are crafted to provide an unforgettable experience, blending luxury, comfort, and style in one package. Whether you're a fan of high-end vehicles or just curious about what's inside, this limo shows what it means to travel in luxury. Thanks for joining us today for this deep dive into the world of limousines. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.